Hello my friends, so today let's make some revision for the dragon fall down. So we make revision, push the clouds to the left side and to the right side. So your energy, your power comes from your legs and your waist. Observe me. 1, 2. Slowly. Slowly. It's dragon. So I turn to my right side, you see, to make the grasp the hard. Make noise with your foot. Cross the face. Cross part. So the Chinese dragon is different from the dragon of Western world. The Western world's dragon can spit the fire, can jet the fire from his mouth, but Chinese dragon cannot. And if we say the Western dragon is yang, so Chinese dragon is yin. It is responsible for the weather. It controls the rain. So in some meaning, Chinese dragon is the protector of agriculture activities. So this dragon likes to fly in the sky. So most of the movement of the dragon group is the hands movements. It's in the sky. So if you want to practice more quickly, and you need to always keep your arms a little bit bent, not 100% straight. So I show you more details. Bend the arms and a little bit bend also. This. So when you bend, you can push ahead or you can pull back. And then this way also. Not 100% push forward, a little bit bend back. So if you want to quickly, you can use these tips. Especially for the 3 pushes. So always bend a little bit. So use your power from your legs. Like this is enough. If you want to move slowly, you push straightly. If you want to move quickly, just this is enough. Enough. Okay, thank you so much, and see you maybe tomorrow. please subscribe to my channel in order to watch the more detailed explaining and for the new movements, new tips. Thank you, have a nice day.